I wasn't in a very good place at all. I was up and down, doing stuff I shouldn't have been doing. And I didn't want to go out, I didn't want to do nothing. Didn't want to interact with anybody. There was a mention of a health walk on TCV that I went on, and it helped. And I've been doing it ever since.
Wellesley Woodlands is one of the sites that TCV runs on behalf of the Land Trust. Part of our remit here is to encourage the new Wellesley community to use this green space, to enjoy being in the outdoors, not just for the physical benefits, but also for their mental health.
Jackie has turned her life around in the last year and a half, 2 years. She's come from being almost scared of her own shadow and taking those first tentative steps out on one of our health walks. She hasn't looked back. She wanted to come back again and again and again. She now leads our health walks. She brings people with her. She brings the joy and encouragement. And certainly participants of the health walks tell me what an inspiration Jackie is.
And I lost 6.5 stone in weight, so it's absolutely wonderful. It really, really is wonderful. And I love the wildlife as well, and the geese. The geese do follow me, I know.
Health walks are an amazing way to meet new people, to get out and about in the fresh air, learn more about the nature and the environment that we are in. All our health walks across the country are all about walking together, being together, learning more, respecting nature and inspiring each other.